I have been using this rosemary oil since I started my natural hair journey, and this oil has been doing amazing work. In this video, I'll be walking you through on how I make my own rosemary oil. In the running tap water, I'm just quickly going to rinse all the leaves to remove some insects and some dirty and all that. After rinsing it, I'm just going to pat it dry in this cloth. I'm done patting it dry. I'll still allow it to stay in that cloth for all the excess water to remove. In this pan, I'll be adding some water and I'll be placing it on my stove top for this water to heat up. While the water is heating up, I'll be removing the leaves from the stem just like this. You can pluck it one after the other, or you can remove it this other way, the way you are seeing it on your screen. I'm done removing all the leaves from the stem now. I'm just going to dice it. You can slice it like this. If you have a crusher, you can use a crusher to just crush it a bit. Just do what works for you, but this is what I've been doing since I started making rosemary oil. I'm done slicing all the leaves now. I'm just going to crush it a bit with a knife, and I'll be transferring it to this stainless bowl. These are some extra virgin olive oil. I'm putting the oil for it to be on top of the leaves, just like this, the way you are seeing. So I just transfer the stainless steel bowl on top of the water that has been boiling. We really need the heat to heat up this pan for the nutrients to still be intact. Is better than placing it directly on your stove top. This method is better than that, and I cannot give you a specific time on how long to stir this oil or how long it's going to get ready. For you to know when it's ready, when the leaf is no longer green, like it has changed its color like this, the way you are seeing it now, you know the oil is ready. When the oil is ready, I'm just going to turn off my stove and I will allow it to still stay on top of this water till it's completely cool. Our rosemary oil is all done. Now I'll transfer it to this place and I'll be showing you before and after. You can see this is the before, and that is the after. You can see, so this is how you know it's all done, when the color has changed from green to that what you're seeing now. And now I'm going to be straining the rosemary oil with this sieve and this cloth. I'll be using it to strain the rosemary oil just like this because I don't want anything to be left out. I will strain it with that first sieve, and this cloth I'll use to squeeze out all the oil. I'm done squeezing out all the oil from the rosemary, and I assure you nothing is left out. These are all the oil that we got. I'm just going to transfer it to this applicator bottle just like this. Some fresh rosemary leaves with the stem. This upper part is very fresh, and I'll be adding it to the oil so that it will continue to infuse into the oil. I will leave it in the bottle for some weeks. When the rosemary leaves changes color, I will take it out from the bottle. How I apply rosemary oil. This is my freshly washed natural hair. It's still very damp. I always work with damp hair even when I'm making my hair, and when I'm applying treatment I always work with damp hair. So my hair at this point is very damp because I just finished washing it. It's very damp. Now I just apply the rosemary oil from the scalp down to the root. Then I will gently use my hand to massage this oil into my scalp. just the way you are seeing now. I'm done massaging this section. Now I'm just going to mat my hair. I don't even allow my hair to stay 1 second without matting it. Now I'll be matting it because my hair is a low porosity hair. My hair easily gets dried, and once my hair is dried, it will start to break and all that. So I usually mat my hair all the time. If I'm not making my hair, then I'm matting it just like this. So I'll be repeating this process in all the sections. If you find this video helpful and useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment. I love reading comments and I will reply as soon as possible. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate you a lot. So this is it for this rosemary oil. I'm still applying it to this other section to make sure everything enter into my scalp and for it to start working immediately. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you a lot. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye. Ciao ciao. Take care. Bye.